Hello guys, welcome to in this video. In this video I am sharing about a draft. In Gmail's draft is very important features. If you send and received message mails when you are not sent, the draft folder will be saved automatically. Draft folder is very important role in the Gmail marketing. If you write mails that mail or not be sent to any things that dra- automatically sends to drafts. If you write a mails, then your PC will be shut down. That draft folder will be automatically saved this data. The saved data you will be easy to use if any times and re-edit and resend this easy to way. Thanks for watching this videos.